Hey, what is going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel, RedLineMods. Tim's tuning back in. Guess what? We got a new product in stock. So, which is, most of you guys have this problem. Even I do. It's from 2018 and 2023 Honda Accord. This is universal, so you guys could use this on any vehicle. 99% of the time, unless the trucks or big SUVs have a different type of valve. But this is standard size, so this will work on most of the vehicles, obviously. And the problem is we don't know the 1.5 to 2.0. I think Touring 2. We don't know what the air pressure is on our tires, all four sides. So we're gonna solve that problem and not worry about running on a flat or anything like that. Always be safe going on long road trips and stuff like that. So this is it right here. Open this up. We got the manual in there. I already read that manual. There's two kinds. So the one that we're gonna be following is the top one, not the tire removal one. This is just a valve one right here, and this is for this sensor bag. This is a disassembly, so ignore that. We're gonna follow this right here, and yeah. So we got the tools in there. We got the four like gasket type of seals, I guess, and then we got the right, left, right, right. I don't know what that right. What the heck is that, bro? Right, front right. Oh, rear right. There you go. Like right. So rear left, rear right, front left. There we go. And then we'll put this for this solar panel charger. I believe it's got a clear coat on there, like a protector. So we'll take that off and we'll set this up. So what we're gonna do now is put this on, remove the other ones real quick. So we're working on the front right. Take this one out, and we're gonna put this one in. This piece goes in. Tight a little bit, hand tight. So that's the front right. So take the stuff out real quick. Front right, making sure. So that's in, and what you could do is grab that the back piece and make sure you tighten it up with this. So we should be good to go. See. So there's no leaks, basically. That's what it is. Hold it this way. Yeah, that should do it. I feel like we don't have to use that, but if you want to, for extra security, for not like losing air over time. So yeah, that made it a little bit tight together. So this is good. We're gonna move to the rear one now. All right, so the rear right is left, and moving on to the other ones now. So this one, we put the, I guess call it gasket in there. It's like a metal washer type of thing. You could hear the air coming out, so it stops. Now it's tight. And then I spin that one backwards. The washer that I put in the gasket, whatever you want to call it, and then we'll make it tight a little bit. So one more little bit should do it. All right, that should be good. And now one more to go. All right, that one's done. And now we're gonna pair that main module right here. We'll show you everything right there. Solar panel, slim design, really nice and sleek. So we'll show you guys that, the pairing mode, and see how to set this up. All right, so this comes with double-sided tape. I put it exactly right there in the center. So you'll see that center, so I put it right there. Using double-sided tape. I'm gonna keep it there, like that spot. So Let's see how this thing works. See, press that button. I think I turn it off from this button right here. Press and hold the right side. Yeah, there you go. So you would hit menu, because that's set in bar. So as you can see, bar is blinking right now. So we'll just hit, now change to PSI, which is good. And then we'll hit Celsius. We'll change it to Fahrenheit. That's good. Pressure above, P up, like pressure up and pressure down. There you go. So if it's above 43, it's gonna start alarming. And I'm just gonna set this at, no wait, I'm gonna set this at pressure above. I'm gonna take this thing off. Okay, so pressure usually for the Accord is like 33 and 34. So if it goes above 36, I mean 38, if it goes above 37, that's gonna beep, and I'll just make it 39 just so it doesn't beep all the time. And we'll hit menu again, so pressure down. So if it's below 29 or below, I believe, it's gonna alarm you that one of the pressures is down. And I'm just gonna set this one at, yeah, 27 is fine. 27. And then this is the temperature outside. If it's 154 degrees on the tires, that means something is wrong. So let's set that up, and we should be good to go. Press and hold. There you go. Now we're set, and I just gotta check the front right again. See, it didn't pop up, so let me check that real quick. So all I did was for the front right, on top right, basically front, I just took it off and pushed it back, installed it back on. Literally took like 5 seconds, and it started working automatically right there. So these are pretty accurate because the car's been sitting all day, and obviously if you drive like for a minute or so, these numbers will adjust. So it should adjust to whatever PSI I put in there, but yeah, they will adjust though. But yeah, this is pretty accurate right here. Did a tire rotation recently too, so yeah, the temperature pretty good, solid, because the sun was hitting on this side of the vehicle, and this side was a little shade, so it's a little bit colder. So it's pretty accurate too. I like that. And yeah, battery right there. And once the sun starts hitting it, the solar panel, you'll see the sun icon. That means it's charging. See the top right corner, the sun icon, that means it's charging. So definitely, guys, go for it. And in case it's runs out, you can charge it with the charger that's provided, and you'll be good to go. And this is golden, guys. This is going to solve everybody's problems out there. Go ahead, order them. I would say for the people, I would say the first 30 people who buys it, they get 20% off, and the code's going to be in the description of this video below. So use that code. If the code does not work, that means 30 people already purchased it and got that 20% off. After that's done, you guys could use the code for 10% off, right? So that would pretty much conclude the video, fam. I would appreciate support, and peace on to next time. And I bet you guys, there are people who actually just get in there and start driving, and especially long trips or whatnot. You always want to make sure, you just want to take at least, give it a minute, just walk around the car, make sure all the tires are good. Even just by looking at it, you might be like, yo, this is perfect, this is perfect, this is good, but this is what you need to actually know, especially when you're traveling, and you just want to make sure that you're safe and your family's safe. And yeah, that's it, fam. Looks good. And this is gonna solve everybody's problems out there. And I know what you guys been going through, because we all have that issue with the TP, tire pressure monitor system stuff. So that's it. Smash the like button, comment below if you're one of those guys that just gets in the car and just starts driving off and never checks out. You just want to be safe and not drive off with a flat tire. That's all, fam. So appreciate the support. Peace out till next time, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified of upcoming content, and we'll be uploading more awesome content. So for example, as you can see, I removed the valve and it's beeping that the tire is at 0 because it's not reading anything. And it got silenced after like, I think 15 seconds or so, something like that. It got silenced. Let me just put that there. And this is reading, it's reading 31.5, and it should read off 31. It might read off 31 at least, I assume. And then just kind of lock the back side in again. There's a wrench as well to give it a nice little snug, but I just did this for the purpose of the video, so that's how it's gonna work. There you go. I was able to make it a little snug and tight with the finger. And as you can see, this is also going to be on my site as well in a different design. And there you have it. It says 31, so pretty accurate, fam. That's it. And I haven't driven, so obviously you got to drive it for a minute or two to get these numbers up properly by another 2 to 3 psi, and you should be good to go.